So this lab's just for the sake of showing you how to do dilutions. I've already made up a standard solution of this concentration, and I'm trying to make up a solution of the first standard solution I made up in the first video. And so to do that, I have to decide I just want to make exactly what I made up from the previous video, which was 250 mils of a 0.533 molar solution. And I have a 3 molar solution. So I sub into that calculation and it comes up with 44.3 mils. So what I'm going to show you right now is me grabbing 44.3 mils of this 3 molar solution and then diluting it in 250 mils, and voila, I'll have 250 mils of a 0.533 molar solution.
So I have my volumetric flask here that I'm going to fill, and here is the volumetric flask that contains the 3 molar standard solution, and so I fill in the burette so I can get 44.3 mils accurately in one shot, and so I measure it down to 44.3. I then fill up my volumetric flask and I make sure it's mixed, and now I have, from a 3.008 molar solution, I've created 250 mils of 0.533 molar solution.
Now for the errors, this percentage error was done on the previous slide and I'm just carrying it forth. So this one here is the burette, so I've zeroed it and then measured it again, so I've got that 0.1 on the burette. I'm going to be doing some timesing and dividing here, so I need to turn that into a percentage calculation, so that's that one there. And so my calculations here have this one here and this one here, so that's 2% added together. And then I've added that to a 250 ml volumetric flask, and so that's now turned into a percentage error as well. And so I can add all the percentage errors together to get the final percentage error for my final value.